elephant, big and gray, wakes up early to start the day. She swings her trunk from side to side and takes her jungle friends for a ride. She stomps her feet and splashes in mud, sprays the trees with a gentle thud. She hums a tune with the trumpet sound.